Hi there, I am Aman and you're watching PTO classes. So, in this video, we are going to learn notice writing, how to frame a notice. It is a very important topic of your grammar and it comes handy in writing a lot of stuff. You must have seen a lot of notices in your schools or in public places. The notices are stuck in the walls, and you must have seen the notices in uh, newspapers. So the notice writing is a very important section in your writing section. So we will see what notice writing is and how we write it, what is the format of writing the notice, and what are the important tips of writing the notice. So in this video we will cover grade 7 notice writing. So what is a notice? A notice generally is a displayed sheet or a placard giving news or information. As I told you that you must have seen the notices in your school, in your newspaper, or the walls in public places. So notice is generally a sheet that is giving you some news or information that is important. The information which is of importance is displayed through a sheet or a placard or a small board. So this is called a notice. So you understood what is a notice. Now see how many types of notices are there. There are many types of notices, but here we have the five kinds, the five types. First is handbills, the bills that we get while shopping, or that we get as our payment bills, like for electricity bill or the water bill, anything like that. So handbills are kind of notices. Posters, yes, posters are also kind of notices. By displaying a poster, you try to tell your thing, you try to inform people, you try to highlight some point. So yes, posters are a type of notice. Bulletins, see, bulletins are, you must have bulletin boards in your school, the boards in which you keep the notice. The school posts some notice, or you yourself decorate the bulletin boards. You put a lot of posters highlighting the events. For example, you decorate the bulletin boards time of Diwali, during the time of Diwali or Independence Day or any cultural event. You decorate your bulletin boards. Advertisements, yes, advertisements are also kind of notices. You put advertisements for your belongings. You want to put some advertisement in your in the local newspaper. You want to sell something, or you're changing your name. So these are the notices which goes to the newspaper, and through notice you convey your message. So basic thing is that by any means you are spreading, you're sharing your information to a large mass, to a group of people, and you take the help of a sheet of paper or a placard, a poster, anything like that, and you just write your information in that sheet and you put it out for people to read, and that is a notice. And circulars also are the same. You must have seen while the teachers are teaching in class, sometimes the peons, the didis come, they come with the diaries that are circulars, that are notice related to the day-to-day activities of the school. So these are also very handy in running the things. So you have got how many types of notices are there. And what is notice? Notice is a sheet which is giving you some information. So what is the purpose of giving the notice? So as the definition itself is suggesting, that it is a sheet which is displaying, which is giving some information. So the purpose is also the same, to give the information. The main purpose of notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. The concerned people whom you want to make aware of certain things, whom you want to share the information with, you give the notice to them. The notices can be given through many ways. The types of notices we have seen: through advertisement, through circulars, through bulletin boards, through placards, anything like that. You display your message. So the purpose is clear. The purpose is to inform the group of people which are concerned to that particular information, which the group of people which requires a certain information, you give them the information through the help of a notice. About what? So what is the notice about specifically, or generally this notice is about the information given in a notice can be regarding an event that is about to happen or has happened. So you want to inform people that in this date and in this month or in this week, this function is going to be held in our school or in our society, in our surrounding, and you want to inform the people about it. You want the people to gather in that particular function, so you give the notice. For example, a notice comes to your class teacher through the Didi from by given by the principal sir, that in this particular date the Republic Day celebrations practices are going to start. So a notice has come about a certain function. So the teacher further informs you through the help of a notice. It can also be regarding an important guideline or message issued in public interest which requires attention. So any important guideline or information that the concerning authorities want you to know, they send you through the notice. They send you a notice and they inform you. For example, take an example that during the last summers, what happened? The dengue was spread in this in the area, in the locality, and the principal sir gave the guidelines that you must wear full sleeve shirts and you must wear pants. So instead of the shorts, you must wear pants and trousers and the shirts. So this guideline was given through the authority to your teacher to inform you. So this way the notice helps you to provide some basic, some important information. So the most important part, the format. So this format you are going to write in your notebooks also. See the format. First, name of the issuing authority, then you will write notice. You will write just notice underneath the name of issuing authority. And what is the name of issuing authority? For example, if your school is giving some notice, you will write DPS Haldwani Lamachor. The name of issuing authority is always given in the question. For example, you are sending a message from a specific club, so and so club, that football club. Take example of Victoria Club United. So Victoria United Football Club will be written in the place of name of issuing authority. Then you will write notice, then you will leave one line, then you will write the date. You will not just you will just write the date here. For example, 26th July 2020, like this. Then you will write the notice just below the date. You will not leave any line. Body is basically the things that you want to say in a notice, you want to convey in the notice. What is the event about? For example, Victoria Football Club is organizing a football tournament. So what the event is about? Our club is organizing an event. It will be held on the first week of September, and it will be held in the club's football ground. So you will write this information. Anyone interested to participate can fill up the form and send it to the concerned authority. Then you will leave one line, then you will sign. So the signature of issuing person. See, authority is different. Authority is the name of the institution, the name of a school, and the issuing person is the in charge of this particular duty. For example, head boy of a school. So signature of the head boy, your name, suppose Aman. So I will sign my, I will do my signature, then I will write my name Aman, then the designation head boy or anything like that. So, and most important thing about this format is the notice is always written inside a box. See, I have written all the things inside a different box. See that this box I have made, you will also make a box and you will write. I will send you some examples and you will see that how to write the notice. So notice is always written inside a box, name of issuing authority and till designation, all the things will come inside a box. So this is the way of writing a notice. So this was your format. Exactly the same you will note down in your notebook. You will write the heading notice writing, then you will write the format in this. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have understood that how to write a notice and why notice is so important, and I will provide you the questions that you have to do through the PDF, and look forward for the future videos. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel and keep on watching. Thank you so much.